So previously we have looked into how we will work with the arithmetic operation, looked at Boolean, we looked at logical operations and few other operations that we have seen before. So now we are going to look at the comparison operators. So of course by the name itself it denotes that we are going to compare of two values. And take note that the result of this comparison operator, the output of this is only 2, either true or false. And we always use this comparison operator especially when we want to make decisions in programming. So these are the comparison operators. You have equal, not equal to, so you need to remember the signs. So always the equal operator, it has double sign. Equals means equal equal. Do you remember that equal in earlier one is known as the assignment operator, right? We are assigning, so that we actually use equal. This one we use is a comparison operator, so it has double equal. So not equals to is exclamation mark, equals, greater than, of course this is less than, greater, less than, equal. So these are the table. I believe now you can actually see it in your Jupyter notebook, right? So you can see example, we can actually see the output always gives true or false, whether the statement is correct or wrong. So let us straight away go into the coding aspect. So let us actually assign two variables. One is x, and let's say another one is y. It's too small, right? If it's small, let me know, because sometimes I'm just looking at my monitor. So next time just remind me. Okay, so let's say this one, and you define as these two, okay, x and y. Okay, so if you run it, of course there is no output. We just, when you run the cell, which means you are assigning, now we are using the assignment operator, right? You are assigning those values to these variables. So let's go to the next one. Let's say if you assign x, is it equals to y? Sorry. So if you execute this, sorry, because of the indentation, it gives false, right? Because it's not equals to. How about if you do is y, is it not equals to y? Is it not equal to? It's not equal, right? So by right you should get true. The next cell, this one we want to try is y greater than x greater than y. True, so it will give true. Then of course the other one you want to try is x lesser than y. We had false. So I'm doing this fast because it's a simple operator. If you missed out, just let me know. And we are just practically testing out all the function just now. So is x larger or equals to y? So again this is true. So here you have two operations, right? Larger or equal. So as long as one of it is true, it gives the true. And finally, of course, is y less or equal to y, which is false. So this is quite simple and straightforward, right? It only gives the output true or false. And in C programming or in any programming flowchart, you always see the diamond decision block where you enables to take decision, right? So you always use this comparison operator to make the decision either true or false. You have two options now. You can actually branch out to two ways. Any question up to this point?